Kemono Friends, Miscellaneous Bird Friends. So let's get started. Arctic Tern, Australian Bush Turkey, Blue and Yellow Macaw, Common Cuckoo, Gold Crest, Great Cormorant, Great Hornbill, Greater Flamingo, Greater Roadrunner, Helmet Guinea Fowl, Japanese Bush Warbler, Japanese Cormorant, Large-billed Crow, Long-tailed Titbird, Marvelous Spectral Tail, Masked Booby, Medium Tree Finch, Oriental Stork, Resplendent Quetzal, Rhinoceros Hornbill, Rock Ptarmigan, Scarlet Macaw, Superb Lyrebird, White Stork. And that's it for every bird, friends. See you later, guys.